This is a really simple dish that's great when you want something that's on the lighter side but still interesting. I start by marinating the chicken in olive oil, minced garlic, sriracha, ketchup, soy sauce, rice vinegar, fish sauce, brown sugar, and chicken broth. I let it marinate in the fridge for at least an hour, then I slice the chicken into 1-inch strips. Then you're going to add the chicken back to the marinade and add some baking soda. This changes the texture of the chicken, tenderizing it to mimic American Chinese food. Marinate with the baking soda for another 30 minutes. I usually take this time to prep my sides, in this case white rice and an Asian-inspired roasted broccoli. I just tossed the broccoli in some olive oil, soy sauce, and hoisin, and roasted it at 350 for about 30 minutes. Before starting the stir fry, prep your vegetables: onion, garlic, ginger, carrots, and mushrooms. You could also add cauliflower, broccoli, or really any vegetable that you're interested in. Start a pan over medium heat, and then add the garlic and ginger first. I like to cook the garlic and ginger until it's fragrant before I add the onion, then the mushrooms, and then the carrots. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes and then add the marinated chicken. Cook for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring occasionally. You're not trying to get the chicken brown here, you're just trying to get it cooked through. Once the chicken is cooked through, I like to add the marinade liquid. In this case, I think it adds a little bit of a sauce that we can use for the lettuce wraps, but in most cases this is not a traditional stir-fry technique. Remove the stir-fry from the heat and build your plate. Like I said earlier, I'm making this with a side of white rice and broccoli. For presentation, I topped it with some sesame seeds. Enjoy.